Hey, welcome to my channel. As a YouTuber and as a blogger, people often ask me, what is the best way of making money on the internet? Now, the reason why so many people are showing interest in knowing how to making money on the internet is because amid COVID-19, a lot of people have been struggling to retain their jobs. New, fresh graduates who were once hoping to find their dream jobs have been unable to find one because of COVID-19 and all companies filing bankruptcy. Even US alone, a lot of small businesses are filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, which essentially tells you that the times have changed. And in this new era, and the reason why I say new era, internet is literally a parallel universe. People are living on the internet. People are spending more than time on internet, on social media, than the time they spend in-person interactions or physical interactions. So the internet is actually a reality. Bill Gates, in his book, Business at the Speed of Thought in 1999, projected the importance of internet. And he said that if anybody does not have business on internet, they will probably be thrown out of business. We saw so many examples of companies not innovating and understanding the importance of internet, so therefore going out of business. My name is Isham Sabar, and I am one of the co-founders of beingguru.com blog. In this blog, we talk about motivation, we talk about money, we talk about freelancing. And as a freelancer who has been self-employed for the last 2 decades on one of the world's largest freelance marketplace called guru.com, and after having made over $1 million in sales as a freelancer on this platform alone, I'm an instructor who talks about the importance of learning a skill and offering that skill as a freelancer and eventually making money. I have a huge grip on digital marketing, blogging, of course, beingguru.com, you know my blog. And then I talk about many other internet-related money-making opportunities. So if you're interested in knowing how to make money on the internet, this video is probably something you have been looking for, and I would request you to watch till end. The first thing you need to understand is, if you want to make money on the internet, people from South Asia primarily need to focus on their communication skills. Because if you get a huge grip on your communication skills, you are able to convey your point of view across to your potential customer or a website visitor. Warren Buffett, one of the most profound investors in the US, falls in the top 10 richest list. He was once asked if there's one advice he would like to give to the younger people. And Warren responded, if there's one advice I would like to give to younger people, that would be to work on their oral as well as written communication skills, which means that you should be able to write effectively, and at the same time you should be able to communicate effectively in person. First thing first, if you work on your communication skills and if you gain a huge command in having an effective communication skills, then following 6 things could help you make money on the internet. To begin with, freelancing. Freelancing sort of like has become mainstream phenomena. Everybody wants to work from home. People are working remotely. People love being self-employed rather than being employed by their employer to work for 9-to-5 job. A freelancer does not have a carbon footprint, so they are not required to commute to their job place every single morning and come back home every single evening. They are literally boss of their own. As a freelancer, primarily on internet, you can learn a technical skill or two. The technical skills usually consist of programming, which includes website development, mobile app development, software development. Then you talk about creativity, which includes graphic designing. As a graphic designer, you could create logos, you could create brochure designs, bifold brochures as well as trifold brochures. You could create catalog for companies. You could create graphic design for YouTube, Instagram, for Facebook. You could create graphic design as a website designer, and the list goes on and on. And then, of course, the other skills include, but not limited to, social media marketing. As an officeless agency, you could offer Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms promotion to the struggling small businesses. As a digital marketer, you could help small businesses with search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. And you could offer your services as a virtual assistant. You could offer your services as a data entry specialist. Now, the latter does not require any technical computer skills. All you need to know is how to use computer, and literally copy paste work is all your customer is looking for. As a freelancer, you could offer your services on different freelance marketplaces. Some are mainstream freelance marketplaces, other are non-traditional freelance marketplaces. So when I try to explain the difference between traditional, mainstream, and non-traditional freelance marketplace, the only difference is on a mainstream, on a traditional freelance marketplaces, clients come in, they post their project, freelancers bid on the project, and then based on their proposal, based on their previous portfolio and the assignments and work they have successfully finished in the past, employers hire the freelancers by awarding them the project, and once they get the job done, freelancer gets paid. So there are many freelance marketplaces. Upwork.com, it's a merger of Elance and Odesk, and now it's one of the world's largest freelance marketplace. Then there is Guru.com. That's where I offer my services as a freelancer. I and my team as well. I've grown over the years, more on that later. And then there's freelancer.com, again as old as any other freelance marketplace. And then there is fiverr.com, which is a non-traditional freelance marketplace. So the difference between traditional freelance marketplace and non-traditional, which is Fiverr, has, instead of client coming in, posting their project on traditional marketplace, in case of Fiverr, clients come in, they skim through or browse through different services offered by freelancers. And if they like what they see based on the portfolio, based on the price, based on the content, based on the packages, then they hire a freelancer for that particular job, and that hiring service is commonly known as buying a gig. Therefore, there are two ways you can offer your services as a freelancer: on mainstream marketplaces and then not mainstream, non-traditional marketplace. After freelancing, you could offer your services on social media. Now, this might just come as a surprise to many of you. As a social media user, we spend a lot of time consuming different content, but we do not pay attention to the time we are spending on those platforms. So what if we can make that time we spend on these social media accounts account for? Which means that we can use the time we spend on social media to our leverage. We could become a social media influencer. We could upload a video on Facebook, and we can monetize our Facebook videos. Facebook lets you make money from your Facebook page videos that are usually over 3 minutes of minimum time bracket. Then you could make money from Facebook Live. So Facebook has also introduced a way of making money from your Facebook Live by introducing the stars, which means that people can actually pay you stars, and that's the form of money you can make while you are conducting a Facebook Live. So Facebook allows you to make money through 3 ways. A, you could upload videos on your Facebook page that are typically over 3 minutes of time, and through advertisement, you make money as a content creator. The second is you conduct Facebook Live, people pay you stars, and that's sort of like acknowledging for your performance, and the stars are equivalent to certain amount of money. And the third way is you can make money through instant articles, which means that if you own a blog, you could make money by allowing Facebook to introduce your blog within the platform, which means that user would not be forced to leave the Facebook platform. Very easy, right? And you probably have noticed many different blog sites where you see a thumbnail, and when you click on it, it actually opens inside Facebook environment rather than forcing you to go outside the Facebook environment and then go to someone's blog. So this way, by instant articles, you can make huge money. The third way of making money is blogging. Of course, self-explanatory. If you got this flair for something, and if you like writing, open your blog, abc.com, just like we have beangguru.com, and then you talk about different topics. My advice to all the young bloggers out there is focus on micro niche. In that micro niche, focus on one particular topics. For example, if you like playing cricket, rather than covering the whole cricket game in detail, how about focusing on just the bowlers, perhaps the batters, the batsmen as they call it. So this way, micro niche enables your visitors to resonate well with the brand identity, and they'll keep coming back to you because you sort of like become a prominent voice for that particular niche. Then after blogging, YouTube, of course, holds in a very primary place. As a matter of fact, as a blogger, you should also have a YouTube account because people who read your lengthy blog post would like to see diversification. In order to gain their engagement, you probably would like to show them images as well as you probably would like to show them videos, and the videos could actually be fetched in from a YouTube platform by embedding inside your WordPress blog. What does this mean? It means that you are actually giving yourselves two different chances of brand awareness. A, from your blog post when users read your blog post, and B, people can actually click on the video, they could go to your YouTube channel, subscribe to your YouTube channel, and eventually as people watch your videos, you'll be making money. So blogging and YouTube actually go in together, parallel to say the least, and one should focus on YouTube if they are focusing on blogging or vice versa. Then the digital products. Digital products is actually passive income. You are not required to sit on your desk 24/7. It means that if you offer one-to-one consultation, that's probably like 1 hour in a day. If you want to sell an ebook, you're not required to sit on your desk all the time and monitor your sales. All you do is spend some time in writing your ebook, covering the topic you want to cover, and then you can sell that ebook on Amazon Kindle, and you can sell that ebook on many other platforms, including Etsy. And when people buy your ebook, you make money. And then you can also make money if you're creative enough by selling your designs on teespring.com. And if someone buys your design, you get paid. And there's so many other examples of digital products. Affiliate marketing is one way to do it. By the way, I also work as an Amazon affiliate, which actually means that I've signed up as an Amazon associate, and whenever I sell something on my Being Guru blog, I actually send the traffic to Amazon, and then Amazon takes care of the payment, Amazon takes care of shipping, Amazon takes care of the customer services. That is not my headache anymore. All I make is money if someone ends up buying a product from my website. And of course, that's called passive income. That's called affiliate marketing. Last but not the least is Instagram. So you can also make money from Instagram, just like on Facebook, where you create content, either it is pictures or videos, and people watch your content, you make money. On Instagram, once you upload your content, could be pictures, could be videos, you could make money through influencer marketing. In my case, I've got over 30,000 subscribers, followers on my Instagram account. Now, if a brand approaches me and they ask me to create a sponsor video, of course I will charge them because I've got 30,000 people who are glued to my content. They have followed my page. So therefore, as an Instagram influencer, down the road, because of your followers, because of your huge following, you will be able to attract a lot of sponsorship offers. So my friends, these are 6 ways of making money on the internet. If I quickly recap it, you could make money by offering your skills as a freelancer on different freelance marketplaces. You could make money from Facebook. You could make money from Instagram. You could make money from blogging. You could make money from your YouTube channel. And blogging and YouTube channel, mind you, go hands in hands. And last but not the least, you could also make money by selling your digital products. If that makes sense, please like this video and share it so any individual who is suffering to make ends meet amid COVID-19 gets a clue and starts making money on the internet. I'll see you in the next video.